Sziasztok and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to fix a tiny disaster. I just dropped my magnetic palette and my contour shade is just smashed. You know how annoying is this if you smashed any of your eyeshadow, any of your blush, contour or anything. You paid so much money for this and you don't want to throw it away. You love the product, I love my contour product, so I feel I have to fix this. So I found so many videos on the internet that how can you fix your contour, eyeshadow or any powder based stuff which you smashed. I'm going to try out these techniques and we're gonna find out if it's working or not. So before we jump into this hack video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button, because that's how the YouTube will notify you every time when I'm uploading. And if you like this video, I'm going to create more tips and hacks from the internet, approved or not. So we're here today, guys, to fix this disaster here. Yes, my contour shade is completely broken because I accidentally dropped it to the floor. Fortunately, the other two shade is completely survived the accident. So the banana shade and the highlighter shade. I dropped it again! The highlighter shade has tiny damage here, but this is not a huge thing. So these two shade is survived, but my contour shade is completely broken. So I just thought I'm gonna try out nice YouTube and Instagram hack with a pure alcohol to fix this disaster. I read and watch some videos where they are just mixed with the pure alcohol, the broken eyeshadow or contour shade or highlighter shade, and just pressed it down, and those are looks like the new ones. I'm actually not believe it completely because this stuff has a specific press procedure, so I think if I press it down, it's not gonna be completely the same process as they originally pressed. So I think the pigmentation payoff and the color is not gonna be the same after this procedure, but I think it's better to try than immediately throw it away and buy another one. Oh my gosh, guys, it's completely broken. So I think I'm gonna give it a go and try out this alcohol trick hack. I don't know what it is. What we're gonna need: the pure alcohol. I catch it from my father-in-law. He has a electricity service and he has pure alcohol for I don't know what exactly, but he always has pure alcohol, and that's why I get it in this little vitamin C bottle. But you can get pure alcohol in the pharmacy or some hobby shop or something like that, which is not okay for this procedure. I think this is the nail polish remover. I think this is not working as well as the pure alcohol. So you have to buy pure alcohol for this, as I figured out. So the next thing what you will need for this is a paper towel. All of those tutorials are said that I have to smash. This is not completely smashed and I don't want to smash it more than it's already smashed. This is a really fine powder because this is a contour powder, so it's so fine, and I'm afraid to smash it. So I'm gonna try it. Wait a minute to this hack, and let's just see if it's working or not. Okay, I think it's gonna work. So, we're not gonna smash it for the first time because I think this is just ruin the things which is already ruined. I'm gonna just spill this alcohol to this. Whoop! That was definitely too much. Oh my gosh! I've already done it. Worst. Oh my gosh. So, I'm using this pressing method, a regular jar cup, and the tiny little glass. Press back all of this little broken part. Okay, so look at what we did now. Oh, it has a little cute pattern on it from the paper towel. And because of we are using alcohol, this is gonna be disappear from our little powdery consistency, and it's gonna leave it completely dry. It has to. So, because as you can see, hopefully you can see, this pure alcohol is just disappearing really quickly. So we just have to wait a little bit until it's just disappear from our powdery consistency. I try to press with my fingers because with my finger I can be more gentle than if I just press with a cup or anything else. Okay, it's still wet. This is one of the things which I'm afraid of, that this is not gonna be dry out after I spill the alcohol of it. So maybe I just used too much from this alcohol, because they said in the tutorials that you have to use a tiny amount from the alcohol. So maybe that was too much, but I think because it's alcohol and it's just disappearing so easily, this is gonna be dry out just a little bit longer term than I would like to. But this feels so dry right now. I recommend to use a pattern-free little paper towel, because this is just leave this cute little dots on this contour powder, which I don't mind, but if you don't want to create a nice pattern to your eyeshadow or contour powder, I think you have to use a pattern free. So we just wait until it's dry now. Then I'm gonna come back and show you how it's working after it's dried. So guys, we arrived to the hack video's end, and I have to say we fixed this little contour shade, because this doesn't fall out, this is just stay on place, and it has the same pigmentation that at the beginning, I think. So I think this is approved. This is working. You can fix your broken eyeshadow or broken stuff with a little bit of alcohol and pressing. But I have to say that the pressing method is a little bit tricky part of this, because I didn't smash all of the product. I just spilled the alcohol to the product and just press back to the pan. So I cannot approve, because of this, the whole entire things, if you know what I mean. My heart just said, don't smash it again! So I didn't smash it properly, but it's work in this way as well. I think this is a little bit harder maybe than before. I'm not sure about it, but I think this is gonna do the job as well, so this is usable. I think some way I approved and some way not, but I think definitely this is a good hack if you don't want to throw away your smashed stuff, which is a huge good point, I think. So that's it, guys. As I said at the beginning of the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you would like to see more tips and tricks from me. And have a nice day, guys, and see you in my next video. Sziasztok!